Student, let's continue the topic derivative of polynomials and trigonometric functions. So here there is a first formula. There are number of formulas. First is d over dx of x power n. It is n x power n minus 1. Proof of all these formulas from first principle, but they are not in your syllabus, so I am directly writing the formulas. D over dx of any constant, it is 0. D over dx of, let it is a constant and is a function fx. Then we take the constant out, then we differentiate the rest of the function. Then d over dx of, let there are two functions fx plus minus gx. We will differentiate both the functions separately. So it is d over dx of fx plus minus d over dx of gx. Formula number 5. It is one of the important formula. It is also called product rule. Here d over dx of fx into gx. It is fx as it is, then d over dx of gx plus gx as it is, d over dx of fx. Means you have to differentiate one function, then other function as it is, plus rest of the function that is not differentiated, then rest second function is as it is. Student, let there are three functions u, v and w. Formula number 6, d over dx of suppose u into v into w. Then you will differentiate one function u, v and w as it is, plus u as it is, dv over dx, then w, plus u into v, d over dx of w. Means you will differentiate one function, then rest two function as it is. This process will be continued, right? And so there are the three functions. First we differentiate u, v and w as it is, plus u as it is, then we differentiate v, w as it is, then u, v as it is, and d over dx of w. Student, formula number 7, that is called quotient rule. Quotient rule. D over dx of fx upon gx. It is gx whole square, here gx as it is, d over dx of fx minus fx as it is, d over dx of gx. Student, or we can learn like that also, d over dx of, suppose numerator upon denominator. So there is a denominator square, then denominator as it is, d over dx of numerator minus numerator as it is, d over dx of denominator. Now next formula number 8, derivative of trigonometric functions. Here d over dx of tan x is sin x. First I am taking sin x. It is cos x. 9, d over dx of cos x, it is minus sin x. Student, there is an important thing. Student, if trigonometrical function start with C, like cos x, cosec x, cot x, their all derivative are negative. So you can see number 10, d over dx of 10x, it is sec square x. Formula number 11, d over dx of cosec x, it is minus cosec x cot x. Is negative here. D over dx of sec x, it is sec x tan x. Then d over dx of cot x, it is minus cosec square x. Student, there are some more functions. There is a logarithmic function, formula number 14, derivative of logarithmic function, d over dx of log x. Student, when base is e is called natural log, then its derivative is 1 by x. When base is not e, formula number 15, so d over dx of log x base a, its formula is 1 upon x log e to the base a. Then there are some exponential function, d over dx of e power x. E is exponential function, so it is e power x, formula number 16, d over dx, it is a power x. A power x is called general exponential term. Its derivative is a power x into log a to the base e. Student, now exercise 13.2, question number 5. Here given function is fx is x power 100 upon 100 plus x power 99 upon 99 plus and so on plus x square upon 2 plus x plus 1. Student, prove that you have to prove f dex 1 equal to 100 into f dex 0. So we have to differentiate the function f dex x equal to d over dx of x power 100 upon 100 plus x power 99 upon 99 plus and so on x square upon 2 plus x plus 1. Then here 1 upon 100 constant, take it out, d over dx of x power 100 plus 1 upon 99 d over dx of x power 99 and so on plus 1 upon 2 d over dx of x square plus d over dx of x plus d over dx of 1, which is 0. Student, here we will use the formula x power n. It is n x power n minus 1. So it is 100 into x power 99 plus 1 upon 99 into 99 into x power 98 plus and so on. There is 1 upon 2 into 2x plus 1. Here 2 cancel, 99 cancel, 100 is cancel out. So it is simply x power 99, x power 98, x power suppose 97 will be there and so on plus x plus 1. Now value of f dash 1 is 1 plus 1 plus 1 till 1. Student, 1 means x power 0. So there are 100 terms from 0 to 99. So their addition is 100. Now f dash 0, their all term will be 0 plus 1. So it is 1. Now we have to see f dash 1 is 100. LHS is f dash 1 which is 100. Now RHS, it is 100 into f dash 0. F dash 0 is 1. 100 into 1, it is 100. Therefore LHS equal to RHS, hence proved.